In this video, I'm going to be doing a review of the Hampton Beach Scoop Coffee Maker. I had the original version that didn't have the water reservoir like this one does, and recently had to replace it because of reasons. Huh. Let's go. Honey?
What?
I think I'm gonna have to buy a new coffee pot.
Did you break another one?
No. But anyways, I'm going to be unboxing this and showing you how to make a cup of coffee with it. I like the original version, so I decided I would try this one out. So stay tuned. Okay, now that I have the Hampton Beach Scoop Coffee Maker unboxed, I'm going to show you how to make a cup of coffee with it. You want to start with removing the water reservoir in the back. It just lifts off like that. Open that. It's got a little handle you can grab it on the back with. You want to take it and put it in there. Like that. Then pop this open. You got this little filter. It goes in like that. And then you have the scoop itself that you put coffee in. So let's grind some coffee. Let's go with, say, medium. You take the ground coffee. Right. Take the ground coffee. Pour it into the scoop. Scoop in here. Close roll up. And you have options at the top. 8-ounce cup, 14-ounce for travel. I'll go with 8-ounce. If you have this happen, it means either you're out of water, or in my case, I had to remove and reseat the water reservoir a couple times before it recognized that the reservoir was there. So you have two choices. You have a 14-ounce travel size mug, or you have an 8-ounce just regular size cup. You also have options for bold, and that's how you turn it on and off. So I'm just going to do a regular one this time. So you can take your coffee, coffee. Load it in the little scoop, and then you load it into here. Shut that. You hear click. Then you're going to want to go and press this button. And that's how much coffee it makes. My cup of coffee. So I'm going to taste it black because in my last video someone said that it was stupid not to taste it black. So here we go. Oh, it's disgusting. But I don't like black coffee. Yeah, I mean, it tastes okay for black coffee, but I really don't like black coffee. So let's get some cream and sugar in this. This coffee comes out at 168, 69 degrees. It could be better. Around 190 is what you look for, but this is the first time using it, so I'm going to run another cup and see if it comes out any different. This time it came out to 174, 175, which isn't really ideal. You want to have about 190-ish or so, but I mean, for $50, it's not too bad. So what do I think of the Hamilton Beach, the Scoop coffee maker? I'd give it a 3 out of 5 stars. 3 stars only because of the brew time. I mean the brew temperature, only coming up to around 170 or so. And the issue I had when I first started with it, getting the water to basically be recognized, I had to pull the reservoir in and out a couple times before it figured out that there was water in it. What I did like about it was the convenience. Just instead of taking a scoop and scooping your coffee, and not having to use K-cups all the time and pollute the landfills and all with K-cups. And the price, I paid around $60-ish, I think it was, for this coffee maker. So I mean, it's not top of the line, but if you're looking for a basic day-to-day coffee maker, I think it'd be good for you. If you have this coffee maker, leave me a comment, let me know what you think about it, and I'll see you in the next video.